Funny, happy Thursday. Oh my gosh, I don't have a Vlogtober video today because I got so much stuff that came. I just did Kohl's Sonoma Christmas candles. My Lush UK Christmas haul came. I do have a kind of a Halloweeny t-shirt on, my Muggle-born Harry Potter. I love this t-shirt. I got this at Penny's a couple years ago and it just fits really nice. It's just like a nice t-shirt. I wanted to do Boxycharm really quick. I wasn't super thrilled with Boxycharm this month. It just didn't do a lot for me. I got box number 17. Literally, I think there's like, what, 108 versions of Boxycharm now? I like Boxycharm. It's $21 a month, but I don't know. The products this month weren't just like overly thrilling me. I do like this. This is the Blushing Berries from Dose of Color. And it's an eyeshadow palette with some, it's got a mirror, which is always nice. It's got some cute little kind of mauve shades going on. Nothing exciting as far as like, I don't think these are, oh wow, these are really pigmented though. Look at that. I'll probably wear these, but you know, this is a $32 value, but it wasn't like a wow factor for me. We also got the iconic London Prep Set Glow. This is like a spray-on setting. It's light reflecting properties, leave skin with an iconic glow. The verdict's still out on this. I don't know. I'm going to have to try this. $26 value. We got a iconic London lip plumping gloss. Retail is $26. No scent on that one. I mean, so you're actually getting a lot of products that that's a pretty color. It's like a berry. That's a nice Christmas color. I don't know. Maybe I'm just crabby today about like beauty boxes. I don't know. I actually saw like a preview of my Ipsy box and I wasn't like overly over the top like wow for $50. So let's see, what do we have here? Oh, we have a Kohl eyeliner. This is Hollywood and Vine Velvety Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. This is a $7 value. Eyeliners just don't do it for me anymore. And then we got the, I'm not even going to open this because I'll probably gift this. This is the Mellow Tinted Brow Gel, $16 value. So the eyeliner, the brow gel, and the lippy are just kind of for me because we get so much of that. I'd say probably the two winners in the box are definitely the prep spray because it's full size. I mean that's a good thing. And then oh, it is kind of pretty. Look at that. And then the blushing berries. I know Boxycharm had advertised that everyone's getting a different one of these. It seemed like they were just they had like 8 different versions of these or something. And I don't know. Like I said, I'm probably just being overcritical today. I think I was so excited about my candle haul and my Lush Christmas that this was kind of like, it wasn't as exciting for me. So anyway, I'm keeping Boxycharm now, at least for a while. This one's called After Dark, by the way. I am keeping this because I like to, at least through Christmas. I'll probably in January decide which boxes I really want to keep. I should really do a video for you guys. I'm pretty experienced in the beauty box arena because that was the focus of my channel for a really long time. And I know what boxes are the most value, what kind of products you get, what's the best. So I think around Christmas, I think I'm going to do something in case you want to order one of these as gifts. Because they do make good gifts for people if you order them a beauty box. It's kind of fun to get that in the mail. So anyway, thank you for watching my Boxycharm unboxing. I'm going to give this one like a 7 this month. It wasn't overly exciting. So anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.